Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to our interview about online education and traditional education. My name is Nur Haliza and
My name is Muhammad Naufal Ridani.
let's start with the first question.
That's me.
Uh, are you prefer online education or traditional education?
Online education. So the topic is about online education and traditional education. In my opinion, I prefer traditional education more than online education. Why? Because the traditional education is more effective than online education. Even they have like a plus and minus point, but I still prefer the online education. Why? Because I think the traditional education you can meet the teacher directly in real life, so you can ask them like, hey, mister, I don't understand this thing, can you explain it again to me? Yeah, I will explain it again, so blah 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 blah. But in the online education, if the teacher already explained, sometimes they didn't hear you because so noisy, or the teacher didn't see you because so many screen on the Zoom, on like online Zoom meeting like our Google Meet, because they are so busy with their your friend is really like noisy, they can't hear at you at all. So yeah, that's it. I like traditional education more. Even sometimes I like the online too, because when I can go to the class.
What are the advantages of online education?
But the advantage of the online education is more. I think they have the plus point of the online education, like you can access it anywhere, anytime, anywhere and anytime. Like you can join the Google Meet in your home, or in your dorm, or even in the park or in the cafe, and so many places there. Uh, as long you have connected to the internet. So there's so many advantage. Like if you use online education, the teacher usually can like use search engine while explaining. That's more effective. Like the effectiveness is like you don't have to go like like your home is far away, so you will take like 20 minutes to go to the class, so that will consume the time, right? But in online, as long the internet is on, you can join anywhere in any place, so it's more effective in online if it come to the timing management and flexibility.
How about the disadvantage of online education?
Yeah, the disadvantage is like you you don't have a quota or internet access, you will disconnected immediately. So like yeah, you should pay more for the internet. Like the Zoom meeting actually consume more internet than if you go to class directly. But if you go to the class directly, you will spend more money in the gasoline or energy. So the disadvantage, like the student can usually the student get distracted by other things in the online education than in the normal traditional education, because yeah, the lecturer or the teacher can see all the screen while he explaining the topic. So that's it, the disadvantage of the online learning.
What do you like most about studying in traditional classroom?
My most I think I like the thing I like in the traditional learning is like you can meet your the teacher directly and meet your friend there too. And so with that combination, there are so many interaction in the class. That's different when you do it online. That's only you can see your friend in the screen. That's so different when you do it directly. Yeah, you can ask the teacher directly like, sir, I don't know what it means. So, oh, I will explain it. So it's this blah blah blah. Yeah. So that's I think I like the thing I like in traditional education.
How does online learning affect your motivation to study?
The online what?
How does online learning affect your motivation to study?
The online education is actually affect my motivated to in learning is when I go sick or I can go to the class, but suddenly the teacher say we are going to do a Zoom class meeting. So like I'm motivated like, oh, even though I'm sick or I can go to the class, I still can get to learn in online. Like I can see, I can still educated from the teacher. So that's it.
Do you think online classes are effective as traditional?
Do you think the what?
Online education are as effective as traditional education?
It's not really effective like the traditional class because it's really different when you meet them in real life, in real time. Directly you meet them, you can talk to them, like ask them question. But if you do it online, you are only in screen. Like you, if you are alone, you feel like still lonely even though you can see them in the screen. Yeah, like why? It so feel so lonely. It's really different in the traditional classroom. So it's not always as effective in the class in traditional class.
Laptop itu yang membeli kan bukan laptop biasa. Speknya di dalam beda dari baca.
What challenge do students face in online learning?
Like I said before, the challenge student most found in the online class is when they got distracted. Like the teacher is explaining in the screen, but you playing game like Clash Royale or any other games, or you do anything as like you are walking away, like you can, because sometimes the online learning in online learning you can hear what the lecturer say because the bad internet. Not every place in like Indonesia has a good internet, like especially like in the big city because so many people use their handphone, so the connected it sometimes is bad. So that's the challenge the most, to like you need to you need to hold yourself when like the connection is missing, you get disconnected immediately. So that's it.
How do teachers how does teacher keep students engaged during online classes?
Keeps the student and in
Engaged,
engaged.
yeah.
Oh, So I think in my advice is the teacher can use like a hook up, like the teacher must find what most interesting in the generation. Like if the student like memes, they can put put like some
Kita tes
meme
itu.
reference,
Kita tahu story itu.
meme or reference, or if the student like online game, you can ask them to join like quizzes or like any other site for online games, but still education. You can compete like if you have the high score, I will add your score in the final test, something like that. So the teacher can make a great hookup, and the student will pay attention to them because the lecturer like having the research for like what did my student like. So so I must be like that. So I think that's a way to understand the to make the student get more attention, yeah, to pay more attention to the lecturer, yeah.
Ambil plotnya ya. Ini kok.
What does technology help students?
Ini ambil juga.
Actually, the technology is a really effective way of the student to learn. Why of the student to learn?
Lihat ini. Itu gambar daripada ambil.
Because nowadays student use like chat GPT, use Google to find their answer of the question. And the teacher sometimes if the teacher like have many students, he can check the answer one by one. So the teacher usually need help from the technology or thing application that can correct all the paper. Mm. So it's not only the student but the teacher too use that the technology to help them in study. But like I said before, the technology must be used in a good way, not to use it on cheating on exam or steal some other people idea if you use ChatGPT. So I think that's the problem.
Are you have learned in online education?
Huh?
Are you have been study in online education?
Yeah, of course. When it's pandemic COVID-19, I actually use like Google Classroom, online classroom, and the teacher gives the assignment in online. So the student like he can do it anywhere in any time as long as the time for the deadline is not yeah, as long it's not on the deadline. So
And
yeah,
what
that's
did
it.
you learn from your experience that
In my experience, I think even though the online education is really have many more benefit than traditional education, but it's still different than the traditional education. So I have a device like you can use 70% of the 70% of the learning from traditional education and 30% of the online for the online education, because yeah, like the lecturer can come to class, so you all can use Zoom meeting or Google meeting, or you can use online education if you can come to class too.
How is that?
But the traditional education is more effective because you meet directly and ask directly. Use the effectiveness is more than the online education. Is that all?
Thank you for your good answer. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks for your cooperation too. Maybe it's all.
Bye.
Bye.